What are the other reasons, like why backlinks are important? What role do they play?
Well, essentially, when I kind of go for this with my clients, I usually kind of say that links work in two ways. There are two main ways that kind of links work. The first one, which you just touched upon, is that each link you create on a relevant, let's just say it, let's just pretend that they're good websites, all good websites. Each link you create sends a trust signal to Google that basically says, hey, look, people are talking about this website within this medium, within this industry. They're referencing this website as a useful tool, a useful service, or a useful product. So in Google's mind, it's kind of like, okay, maybe we should show the link to website to more people searching relevant terms. So it's going to help that website rank higher across the board for relevant terms. The other side of it is in directly increasing your ranking for a specific keyword. So, I don't know, say you're a water bottle company and you want to rank higher for water bottle in the UK or the USA. You might use the anchor text as water bottle or a neutral anchor text with water bottle near that neutral anchor text. And by force of association, Google will see people sort of saying, hey, they're linking to this website using the term water bottle. Maybe we should show it to more people searching for water bottle. So those are, on the base of it, the two kind of main ways that links work on a wholesale basis, increasing the kind of power of a website, increasing it across the board, but also directly increasing it for those hard to hit keywords.